The missing link to core strength and stability is the lateral parts of the core. It's one of the most common things that I see in people that I work with, one of the biggest common questions that I get, and it's all about the sides, the lateral musculature of the core. So what we're going to do in this tutorial is use 3 exercises that can access the lateral parts of your core, and we can build it and make your core strong in 360 degrees. So exercise number 1 is the side plank. It's simple, it's effective. If you've watched any of my tutorials, I don't verge too far away from the fundamentals. And again, I try to keep it simple so most people can do it. There are some people that think side plank, I've done that for years, that's not me. Or I'm an advanced core trainer, that's not me. Stick to the basics. That's where the greatest core strengths come from, is when you stick to the basics. You listen to any great coach, they always talk about sticking to the basics, which is why I talk about very similar exercises a lot of the time. So the first exercise is the side plank. Now there's a number of things that we can do with the side plank. Obviously the number 1, the easiest version, is to come down on the knees. So again, it depends where you are. So we're in this position, we're holding, you should be able to feel all of this working. Now if you want to make it a little bit harder, you can just lift off and go back. When you lift the knee up, it will just make it a little bit harder around the hip to hold you up, because the hip's got to work on its own. It hasn't got the rest of the leg to help it. Obviously the next progression is to go into the full side plank. That's obviously just longer lever, more body weight, you've got to hold yourself up. So that would be the next one. So we've got all happening underneath here. What we can then do is lift a leg up, just like we did with the half plank. Again, keeping the hips nice and still. That's the main thing we don't want to do, is we don't want the hip to drop when we do it. So we've got, as a very simple way of starting, we've got the body weight, half and full side plank. What we've then got is we can use a piece of equipment like I've got behind me here. And again, it's just a side plank, but without using the arms. If you've got this piece of equipment, it's a perfect exercise for it. So we come into this position and we just hold over. Now, the difference is when we're on the floor, it's the underside. When we're on here, it's the top side. So again, we're holding here. So it's great QL, internal, external obliques, right on the top there. And you'll get glute medius, glute minimus, more so when you're on the floor, but you will get a little bit glute medius, glute minimus on here. And then obviously we do exactly the same as we do on the floor. We do one side, we flip around, and we do the other side. So with regards to getting into the lateral parts of the core, first exercise is a side plank. And depending on where you're starting from, you want to start from half plank, then you can lift the knee up, then you go into the full plank, lift a foot up, put it on the floor. If you've got the equipment, you can then use something like this to hold yourself off. Then you've got a little bit more, you can hold on to weights, you can move them away from your body, which is similar to what I'm going to talk about in the next exercise. And you can sort of hang off the side and again do the static hold off the side as well. But that's a little bit sort of further out from this, what this tutorial's for. So exercise number 1 is the side plank.